In this video I'm going to go over the names of different parts of the circle, because these become important when we're looking at our circle theorems, because much of the terminology is referred to. So we'll start with the distance around the outside of a circle. The orange line here is what we call the circumference. So we mark the circumference, and whilst dealing with the circumference, any part of the circumference, so like the bit between these two lines here, so I'm just going to mark it in black, we call that an arc, and that's often referred to when we're doing bisecting lines and bisecting angles. We talk about drawing arcs. Next, I've drawn lines in the centre to the outside of the circle, and this distance is what we call the radius. So a circle can actually have lots of radius, all the same length, and the plural name is radii. So this is the radius. The area, this area in between two radii, is what we call a sector. So a sector, which is the area between two radii. I've now added a line that goes from one side of a circle to the other side, right through the centre, and this we call the diameter. And the diameter is twice the distance of a radius. So a radius would be from the outside to the centre. A diameter is from one side of the circle through the centre to the other side. I've added a further line here. A line that joins 2 points on the circumference is what we call a chord. C-H-O-R-D. So it goes from one point of the circumference to another one. The special case is one where it goes through the middle, but that's a chord, and the area between the circumference and the chord is what we call a segment. So we've got a segment here, we've got a chord up here, we've got an arc, circumference is all the way around, diameter is the distance from one side of the circle to the other, a radius from the centre to the outside, and a sector is the area in between. And finally, I've added another special type of line, a tangent. And a tangent is a straight line that is drawn so that you only can touch the circle at one point. So it's a straight line that touches the circle at one point. Tangents can go anywhere around the circle, but they must only touch the circle at one point. And one very special property of a tangent is that it meets the radius of a circle and forms a right angle. Important fact to remember that one.